everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2 2006 year model, and I'm going to change cabin air filter. And it's a really good idea to replace your cabin air filter, which eliminates bad smell or any other odor inside. So I'm going to replace it. When I checked into HUMMER, it's not easy to change it. There is always pros and cons with everything. HUMMER comes up with the idea having installed cabin air filter as a lifetime, and there is nothing lifetime warranty in a life. There should be a provision. If there is a need to change it, you always can change it. But in this case, HUMMER Engineering has done a big boo-boo that up to 2006 models, they did not have that option. I'm going to show you what I have done so far. So after checking into that, it's really not easy to change it, which requires, you cut it open, then you take it out, which I really don't want it to do it. I'm going to share with you the most easiest and economical method to get the bad odor from your car without replacing your cabin air filter. And if you bought a used car and you have a smoke odor or pet odor or any bad smell and you want it eliminated, that I'm going to share with you. And without wasting any time, let's get started. In order to open it, there is 3 small screws, one here, one in the middle, one there. And then you tilt it on the side and you open the glove box. There is 1 screw here and 1 screw right here. 2 screws. Once you remove it, you pull this one down, take it out. This is the location for your filter to go in. So what do you need to do? You need to cut this open. You cut it all the way back. So you cut it open with the trimmer tool. Then you take it out the old filter. Then you replace it with the new one. And then you have to do DIY work to make some kind of latches to hold it in place. But this is not a good idea. So I don't want to mess around with it. So today I'm going to share with you. This is called air refreshener. All the directions are written on it. And keep the car parked in a ventilated area, not in the garage. And you're going to let it run for 15 minutes. You're going to start your AC with the full blast, with the full speed on a high-speed fan. Then you're going to open the air freshener. This has a tab. We're going to press it and it will smoke out inside our car. What it will happen within 15 minutes, it will eliminate all the bad odor from our car. And this product claims that it will permanently eliminate odors at molecular level. Again, there is nothing permanent, but it will bring a smile on your face once you use this product. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to use this product. This is the product I'm going to use, and it's going to help to eliminate all those areas. And it's going to give us a new car scent smell. So I'm going to start the HUMMER. Once it's started, we're going to turn the AC on, and I'll bring the temperature to 65. And this one has a dual zone, so make sure that we did it both. And bring the fan speed all the way high and press this button. It will recirculate. And now I'm going to close the doors. So we're going to press this nozzle and we're going to leave the can right here in the middle, and also make sure that all the vents are open, and nothing is closed. And then I'm going to shut the doors right away. There is no waiting time, just like this. Like this, you leave it and close it. All the doors are closed. Now we're going to wait for 15 minutes. Let the car run, let the air circulate inside, all the air outlets, anywhere where the air going to circulate, it will eliminate the odor. It's a 15 minutes, and now I'm going to open all the windows. The first thing you need to do, open all the windows, and we're going to shut the Hummer. We're going to shut the engine, and now we're going to wait 10 or 15 minutes before you get inside the Hummer, because the smell is very strong. I'm going to discard this one. My Hummer smells really nice, and honestly, I don't smell any odor at all, but I do smell the new scent smell from this can, and this is gonna stay with the Hummer, and this is really nice. And I hope this video going to help you out in such an easy way without doing or replacing your cabin air filter. You can eliminate the smell, especially as I mentioned earlier, in used cars, if you have a smoke smell, pet smell, or any odor, this is the best and easiest method. So please give this video a like, share, and subscribe. Easy steps, and I'm going to list the product information under description if you want to check it out. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.